doves in the wind. We'll see like doves in the wind.
Guys, so my room is officially done. Everybody's gone, so I'm gonna show y'all my room. So yeah, let's get this is my closet. My roommate is on the other side. But yeah, this is my closet. Y'all pretty much know what I got from the dorm. Oh, that's my roommate TV. This is my rug. My main fridge is over there. The clothes that I couldn't fit in these drawers. And there's some crate of food, and then like some stuff I gotta do to finish decorating my room, but I don't feel like doing it right now. And then my mannequin here for my wigs, and then I have like Bath and Body Works stuff, some more Bath and Body Works stuff, and then shout out to my besties, Bow. And then I have 2 lamps, actually 3, because one day we didn't know that. And then I have 2 mirrors for my makeup, and then this one I put my pencils in, and then my jewelry, then my face stuff, which I ain't bring all of it, but hey, these are some highlights. And then when I do my eyelashes, my individuals, that's right there. And then my shower cage is right there, my fan. And then in this drawer I just got like chargers and stuff. And then my extension cord is right there. This is my bed. Oh, it's blurry for y'all. Yeah. So yeah, it's not really pink. My room is mostly black and white and gray with a dash of pink. But yeah, that's pretty much my room. Today was very stressful. I didn't think it was gonna be that stressful, but I think it was stressful because we had to go to Walmart. There's a lot of people in Walmart. But yeah, I'm hot. And then we got like a meeting at 7 that I have to go to. Like, I ain't no like not going to it. So I don't want to be that person that sits in the dorm room. But today I'm gonna get on my computer, figure out how to connect to the Wi-Fi, and play some Sims. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no.